Can you see me okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, finally. We've been trying to connect for a long time now. Right.
Yes,
How are you?
I am pretty good, ma'am, by God grace. Thank you for asking me. And what's about you?
I'm very well too. Yeah, thank you. Um, so, would you like to introduce yourself first and then I go?
Of course, ma'am, I will give you my introduction in
Uh-huh.
front of you. As
Okay.
you know, my name is Naveen. Basically, I am from India, Jharkhand. And if you talk my hobbies are playing cricket, football, and sometimes traveling, sir. And now I have done only 12th standard.
Oh my God, you're only all right. You're a teenager then.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Oh, so lovely to be able to speak to a teenager. My son is also a teenager, getting to be a teenager soon. Yeah, right. Okay, so you're in year 12, right? Is your exam coming up then, or is it already done?
No, I have done my 12th standard in 2024.
Oh, my apologies. I heard it wrong. Yeah, so you've already done it, and are you not continuing your education then?
Yeah, now I'm learning about digital learning like MS Excel, MS Word. This thing I'm learning now.
Okay, you're not going to do graduation.
No, I did not take admission in graduation, but in this year I will take.
Oh, you're going for graduation this year?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Can you tell
Okay,
me
do
some?
you? Hmm? Yeah.
Can you tell me? Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Of course. So I am Shaila. I live in England. I've been living here for over 13 years. I'm originally from India, Kerala, southern part of India. Then I did my master's in computer science. I work in IT, and I live with my family, my son, my 12-year-old son, and my husband. Yeah. Okay. So coming back to your education. So what did you do for your 12th?
I could not understand your question, ma'am.
Oh,
Please
so,
repeat.
yeah, of course. So what did you do in your, you said you did 12th, right? Plus two. You
Yes,
did
ma'am, yes.
plus two. So what was your main, what subject did you choose for 12th?
In 12th, I have chosen PCM's honors, physics, chemistry, and math.
Oh,
This part I have.
really? So
Yes,
maths,
ma'am.
physics, and chemistry.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Is that why, because you were interested in that, or you just got admission and then you went for it?
I like to read about physics. That's why I have taken.
Ah, okay. So why are you not continuing that in for like for graduation? Are you planning to do physics or?
Yes, ma'am. I have two options. If you talk about graduation, I have two options. One is I will take admission in BCA about digital learning, and second is physics honors. I have two options, but now I'm very confused in which sector I will go.
What is the other one? BCA, computer applications, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, right. That's an interesting one. But if you are from, in terms of job opportunities, I would say BCA because obviously you get job easier in IT than compared to anything else. But yeah, physics, if physics is your passion, then yeah, go for BSc honors. But if you want to be in a job as soon as possible, then yeah, BCA would be a good option. Are you into, you're obviously interested, you do a lot of things on computer, so you can, you know, and you have a possibly a science brain, so you can pick up BCA as well, you know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am also thinking in future I will go for digital learning because now in this generation also like people are moving for technology. That's why I think we should go.
Yeah, good, right. And you're a travel person. I saw your just you did a travel vlog, right? to Kolkata. You went to Kolkata.
Yes, ma'am. I in the before month, before I think February month, in the date of 16 or 17, I went with my friend.
Okay. So I so that's the only vlog that I watch. So do you? What is your passion? You want to? You also do. You're also doing these kind of conversations, right?
Yes, ma'am. I made my YouTube channel for learning purpose. If you talk also na in Skype, I take times to talk with people. Also, I also make some mini blog, and also just make a slow video. And also sometimes I will make a lot of different things I make, but in English content, not Hindi.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's nice actually. Yeah, that's how you improve. So you live in Jharkhand or no Uttarakhand?
No, ma'am. I live in Jharkhand, Ranchi,
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Okay. Jharkhand and Uttarakhand, are they close? No.
It's a different state.
Really? Sorry, actually. Oh, Jharkhand. Where about is Jharkhand? Which is the
Jharkhand
other?
near to Bihar and
Bihar.
Kolkata, near to
Ah,
Bihar.
Kolkata. Really?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so do you speak Bengali then?
No, ma'am, I don't know how to speak Bengali. Just in a speak in our just village family, just we speak in Hindi and sometime in our language, Khotha.
Ah, okay, so there is another language called Bihari. Bihar's native language is something else, right? What is it? Something that is that ends with Li, is it? There is another language, something that ends with Li, right? Somebody told me about it yesterday.
In Bihar,
Yeah.
I think they speak Bhojpuri. That's
No,
all people they speak
there's
this.
another language. There's another language in Bihar.
Yeah, it's a different language.
Yeah, no, not just Bhojpuri. I'll tell you what that language is. It is um, because somebody told me about another language in Bihar, not just Bhojpuri. There's another one. Let me check what that is. Bihar.
Mm.
So
I think
Jharkhand, how many languages?
in Jharkhand we speak three or four language, but
Really?
if you talk basically, I know two language.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you what it is. The Bihari, Bi- the most widely spoken languages of Bihari group are Bhojpuri, Magahi, and Maithili. Maithili.
Yes, yes. Maithili, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, that's a nice language name. Maithili is a name actually. Maithili, you know what? Maithili is Sita. You know, goddess Sita. Sita, you know Ram Sita. Yeah, Sita.
Yes, ma'am, yeah. Ram and Sita, yeah.
Sita. Yeah,
That's
Sita's
a
another
Ramayana
name.
story, yeah.
Yeah, Sita's another name is Maithili.
So, ma'am, are you living in England? So, like, I think have you experienced living in also India and also England? So, what is difference between? Because you have, I think, covered around 13 years to living in England. So, what things have you like enjoyed or not? What things you have observed?
Yeah, good question. So to me, actually, when anywhere I live is kind of home. I try to see it that way. Even though we have restrictions to go to different countries, I don't understand why. But yeah, to me, like the whole world is like, we should be able to move around anywhere, right? Why they restrict us again? So yeah, the difference between here, living here and there, obviously is a lot different. Uh, First of all, I'm living away from my family, my parents. Um, and India being a highly populated country, we don't see as many people as in India here because it's a small country. So that's one big difference that you don't get to see many people on the road. If you go out and you don't see many people on the road. Whereas in India, it's like a festival, right? Every time you go out, you see a lot of people, right? So that's one big difference, which I kind of like seeing people.
Yes, yes.
I love talking to people. That's one reason I'm doing these conversational videos. Another big difference is the roads and how easy it is to drive here in the UK. They all, it's because not obviously not as populated as India, so everybody follows the rules. If you're supposed to go on this lane, then they go on that lane. Whereas in India, we know, like, and even if it's like a single carriageway, like people go like 3 lanes there. We make even if it's 1 lane road, we make it 3 lanes there, right? So that is a big difference. When it comes to driving, it's really easy to drive here. Um, yeah, even when you go on motorways, you don't feel like you don't. Whereas nowadays, I think it is kind of scary to drive in India, like, a lot of accidents. And so that's one difference. In terms of food, obviously, I miss the food here. You don't get the food that it's expensive here. Food is expensive. Whereas in India, you can even survive in India without having a job, I think, because you can grow anything if you have a land, you can grow anything there. All you will have to buy would be like maybe wheat and rice and oil. If you buy these 3 things, you can grow anything else in your backyard, right? You get everything naturally there, be it mangoes, jackfruit, spinach, saag, anything, the vegetables, you can very easily grow, and you can survive without even having a proper job, I think. So but here food is very expensive. And
Yes, ma'am. Because also I belongs just a farmer family. That's can I relate, because in my family just we depend on agricultural. Like my
yes,
parents just grow plant like wait also in the month of I think when comes like a rainy season, that times our parents just grow rice and also wheat, and
yeah,
we depend only agriculture
yes,
because
yes,
we we have good farm, and we just grow a lot of like different fruits. If you talk potato and some vegetables, brinjal also and onion also. That's a lot of vegetables we always grow in every like month. Yeah, every year we you can consider.
yes, yes. So that's why I said that. So you can live in India without having any other job. If you just grow your food, you can grow your vegetables, and it's really easier living in India without a job. But here you must do a job if you want to survive. So that's a big difference. Otherwise, the good things about the UK, obviously, it's less polluted.
Mm.
You would see that, and it's naturally beautiful because of the weather. But in India, there are a lot of places very beautiful equally. But being a bigger country, obviously, there are some places that are really even more beautiful places, maybe I'd say, than more beautiful than the UK. You would see, like, because of the weather as well, you get a balanced weather, right? Depending upon where you are living. Here, obviously, you have to deal with the winter. May not be easy for everyone. I'm kind of okay with winter. Um, yeah, these are the main things that I've
Mm.
found. Again, here also they actually support. If you don't have a job, the government support they support the people who don't have job. They are like below, kind of like they have a like kind of financial situation, so they obviously support them. That is there. Again, yeah, from a person coming from India, I miss the people from India. There is an Indian community here, like everywhere, because India, a lot of people now migrate from India to the UK, so we have a lot of people here, but still we miss that thing about living there and living elsewhere. So it's different.
Yes, ma'am. Also, I heard one things like UK divided in four country. I think one is England and Scotland and also Wales and Ireland. I
No,
think they
Northern
mixed.
Ireland.
They made a like United Kingdom. They just
Yes.
four country made a this thing UK.
Yes. Yeah, so I have been to Wales and Scotland. Scotland is really beautiful. Yeah, you won't, you oh, everything about Scotland is really beautiful. It's nice to drive in Scotland. Um, and Wales is also some parts of Wales is beautiful. They have their own language as well. Scottish is a language, Welsh is a language, and Northern Ireland. I haven't been to Northern Ireland. Not
Mhm.
Ireland, Ireland, Ireland,
Yeah, Ireland, ma'am. Yes, Ireland.
Ireland, Northern Ireland.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, but Ireland is a different country. Yeah,
But
Ireland
I
is a,
think the Ireland also they mixed in that UK because I think they have divided into four country. One is England,
no Northern
Scotland.
Ireland. Northern Ireland and Ireland are different. So Northern Ireland is what part of the UK? Let me just check because Ireland is definitely a different country. You're not confusing me. Uh, Ireland is a Republic of Ireland. Yeah, off the coast of England and Wales. It's capital. Ireland's capital is Dublin. Yeah, but Northern Ireland is part of the UK. Northern Ireland is UK constituent country. Yeah, Northern Ireland is a part of the United Kingdom, whereas Ireland is a separate country.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so how is your Saturday Sunday going? Do you have anything to do tomorrow?
Yeah, Sunday I think in the morning times I have done my work also because always I go to my tuition coaching. That's why I just I did wash my all
Oh,
clothes and all things I have done.
oh, good. Okay. All right. So, do you have anything else to ask me, Naveen?
Yes, ma'am. What did you say?
No, do you have anything more to ask me, or should we wind up? Let's do it. You know, that's fine. So, I have a lovely rest of the Sunday, and we can catch up again if you like. We can connect again. Yeah. It was really
Yes, ma'am.
lovely. It was really nice talking to you. You're like a little older than just a little older than my son. That's just yeah, very nice having a chat with a teenager or a teenager just like my son. So yeah, have a lovely rest of the Sunday, and I'll speak to you again.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely we will meet again.
Okay, bye, Naveen. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Yeah, bye.